For big corps to create value at the velocity of a startup, they need to innovate at scale. The challenge is made even more complex in a post-pandemic world where people are working remotely from different locations and often at different hours. With this in mind, teams will need their members to play different roles in order to tackle this level of complexity and uncertainty. This reality becomes an opportunity for legal teams to actually model these new types of roles in the company. So the lawyer will no longer be only the advisor who is often called in at the end of the project, but rather an active member of this innovation journey. Lawyers will find themselves playing different roles according to the needs of the team in order to ensure that the final end users are legally protected whilst benefiting from the innovation. So I can envision at least 3 roles that as lawyers we will have to model. The first role is the role of the team member. Get ready because you will have to work completely out of your silo and team up with other functions within the company. You will have to simplify, translate, and integrate the legal rules in the final product or service. The second role that I envision is the role of the product owner. So there you will have to translate the legal strategy into concrete actions and detect the value proposition that needs to be created and connect with the key stakeholders. Finally, the role that I see is the role of the facilitator or the legal designer. There you will have to enable co-creation through workshops and early stage collaboration of products and services that are legal by design. Now, these roles are not necessarily independent from each other. You will actually find many overlaps, and the same person can even play them at the same time and for different teams. It doesn't matter. What is important here to understand is that lawyers will need the space to model and play such role. So it is critical that the corporate designers envision this in the company's architecture.